First smartwatch with AI features from Noise. What is happening guys, Vimal here back with a new video, and the first question you people might ask is, Vimal bro, what has happened to your voice? Ignore it guys, I'm actually down with cold and it's been horrible last 3-4 days, but anyway, show must go on, right? So today I have a very interesting smartwatch from Noise. Noise has launched their all new Colorfit Pro 6 series guys, both the regular Pro 6 and also the Pro 6 Max. Today in the home we got our hands on the Max edition smartwatch, and this one has some really interesting features guys. Obviously AMOLED display, Bluetooth calling, digital crown functionality, and some brand new AI features. So I'm like pretty excited to unbox and show you this smartwatch in this video. Keeping that aside, to make this video more interesting, I am obviously arranging a special giveaway as well. So if this video crosses 1500 likes, I will give this Noise Fit Fuse Plus smartwatch to a lucky subscriber on the channel. There is nothing you need to do, just make sure to like, and once we hit that goal, right, I'll pick a lucky subscriber from the comment section down below. So definitely make sure to comment. And that's it. Without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. So guys, our brand new AI smartwatch from Noise came in this sort of packaging. Packaging itself is completely different guys. This is not the regular square sort of packaging. So I'm expecting lots of premium sort of features over here. As I've told you, in the Colorfit Pro 6 lineup, you're getting regular and the Max edition. Today we have the top of the line Pro 6 Max variant. And this smartwatch comes in like 7 to 8 different color variants with different strap materials. You get leather strap edition, metal strap edition, silicone strap variant. And going to the backside here, you can check out all of its specs and details. Anyhow, we'll be talking about all of those features once we get started with the unboxing. And the particular color variant we have is called as copper black, which basically comes with like black leather straps and has like copperish gold accents here and there. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing. I'm very excited to talk about all these new AI features that Noise is introducing. So we'll get there in a moment. Quickly unboxing it. There you go boys. On the inside we've got one more box packaging with the Noise branding, and as soon as you open it, there you go, our brand new Colorfit Pro 6 Max. Looks like the body and the straps come separately. You will need to install it. Very easy, not an issue at all. You do get an accessory box as well, which includes some paperwork. Just make sure to read these for all the details. You're getting a manual, some stickers are also included, and a small instructions pamphlet so you can easily install the straps on the smartwatch. Very simple guys, not an issue at all. And there you go, this is the strap I was talking about. We're getting a black leather strap with copperish gold metal accents guys. Actually looks pretty nice. What I'll do is I'll quickly install the straps on the smartwatch and then continue the video. Installation of the straps was like super simple guys, hardly took around like 10 to 20 seconds only. And good thing is you can replace these straps anytime in the future, or you can even completely customize it as per your requirements. Let me give you a closer look at the Colorfit Pro 6 Max, and first of all talk about the design and build quality. Initial impressions, the watch definitely looks premium for the price that you're paying. I mean, look at this, you're getting full on stainless steel body, and that too we have the copper black edition, right? In fact, the body actually sort of looks like gold finish, I would say. So talking about the front profile, the watch comes with a 1.96 inches HD resolution AMOLED touch display. Keeping that aside, talking about the build quality, I've told you right, excellent build quality, stainless steel material. On top of that, watch is also 5 atmospheres water resistant. So even if the watch is dipped in water up to 1.5 meters, right, for up to 30 minutes, nothing is going to happen. Going to the right side here, you can check out the watch comes with a digital crown. So yes, using this, you can easily navigate through the menu and also scroll between different watch faces and stuff like that. Just below that, you're getting your built-in microphone, and a multifunction button is also there. On the other side, this one is your built-in speaker. Obviously, watch also supports like Bluetooth calling, right? So you can directly make calls from the smartwatch itself. So that is about the design and build quality. And coming to the straps, I've told you right, the one we have is the genuine leather variant, and quality of the strap is also very good, quite premium I would say. I mean, look at this, it mentions genuine leather over here. So that's it. What I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, use it for a couple of days, and then be right back to continue the video. So boys, I'm back to continue the video. It's been quite some time I've been using this smartwatch, and today in this video I'll be sharing my detailed experience and feedback, talking about all the features you might want to know, and obviously will include those brand new AI features as well that Noise has introduced on the Colorfit Pro 6 series. And here's how the smartwatch looks on my hand, and initial impressions, I have to say, watch feels quite premium guys. Not just feels, it actually looks a premium as well. Anyways, moving on to the software and UI part, Noise has actually introduced their brand new Nebula UI 2.0 along with a brand new EN2 chip as well. So before going there, first of all, let me tell you about the display hardware. On board, the watch comes with a 1.96 inches HD resolution AMOLED display, with the resolution being around like 410 by 502. Nothing less you can expect over here. Razor sharp detail, text looks crisp and clear, easily understandable. And look at these watch faces, guys. Excellent contrast ratio. Obviously, it's an AMOLED display. There's nothing to complain over here. True blacks is what you can see. And talking about the colors were also very nice, accurate, quite punchy, I would say, guys. Everything just pops on the screen. And coming to the brightness, Noise says that this panel can easily offer up to like 600 to 700 nits of brightness, and I have no issues checking out the display even in like brightly lit situations, guys, even in outdoor situations as well. Only thing if I had to nitpick, right, the bezels on the smartwatch could have been a bit more slimmer considering the price tag. Bezels were a bit thicker. This is what I felt. But apart from that, quality of the panel, quality of the display is like very nice. So moving on, let's get to the home screen and talk about the built-in apps, features and UI experience as well. You're getting many watch faces, guys. By default, the watch comes with like 5 to 6 watch faces pre-installed. But apart from this, you can download even more cloud-based watch faces using NoiseFit compatible app, not an issue at all. And along with that, you're also getting a brand new AI watch face maker, guys. Swiping up on the home screen gives you access to the status panel. Here you can check out the watch battery life, Bluetooth connectivity status, and also gives you some quick access toggles. And swiping down gives you your notifications panel to check out all your missed calls, notifications, messages and stuff like that. Swiping right on the home screen gives you access to your widgets. From here you can check out your daily briefing section, access the music widget, and some other shortcuts are there. And swiping left on the home screen gives you access to some fitness related panels, like your overall day-to-day activity page is there, followed by your health measurements like HR, SpO2, stress level measurements, sleep monitoring and all that data. So if you ask my opinion on the overall UI and also the watch performance, first of all, let me tell you, UI experience was fine. The overall layout felt very similar to just like any other Noise smartwatch I've reviewed in the past, with some tweaks here and there to the UI, making it much more refined, I would say. But if you ask about the watch performance, right, I mean, performance was fine, but I did feel it was stuttering here and there sometimes, guys. Considering this is like a premium category smartwatch, when we are paying almost like 7,000-8,000 rupees for this model, right, I want the watch to be like very smooth. Noise definitely take this like a feedback and try to offer like a consistent 60 Hz refresh rate, at least on the premium models. So moving on, let's also talk about all the built-in apps and features. Say suppose if you want to access all the built-in apps, right, you can easily do that by single pressing this digital crown on the right side. If you press this action button just below that, that will directly open the workout section, guys. And first of all, let me tell you, Noise is offering 3 different view list styles. For example, right now it is set to list mode, right? Apart from this, you can even set it to their brand new Hive mode that basically gives you like Apple Watch sort of style, guys. But only thing is, navigating and locating apps might be a bit confusing, guys. That is the reason I've switched it to the list view style to make it much more easier for the video. So starting at the top, here we have Noise Health application, and here you'll find all your health related tracking features like heart rate measurement, blood oxygen, SpO2, sleep monitoring, stress level measurement and breathing exercises as well. Apart from that, you do have one tap measurement as well, which will give you all these measurements in a single click. So pretty handy, I would say. Moving on, you also have like Noise Bus. Obviously you're getting built-in microphone and also built-in speaker, right? So you can use a smartwatch to directly place calls even without taking out your phone. And you do have like a full-on workout section, and the main highlight of the smartwatch is it also comes with built-in GPS. That is the reason it's a bit more expensive compared to the previous Colorfit series. So with this GPS, you can easily track all your outdoor activities like walking, running and what do you do in outdoor sports, guys. So all you need to do is just click on this workout section, select any particular activity that you're interested in, and that's it. It will automatically track lots of parameters like your number of steps taken, how many calories you're burning, distance traveled, and along with a detailed GPS information that you can easily check out on the compatible NoiseFit application. In the clock section, you can easily access alarms, timers, stopwatch functionality is also there. Pomodoro tracker is missing, 24/7 weather data analysis, music control. And coming to the music control, this time Noise has also offered built-in storage. So you can use this built-in speaker to play music directly directly on the watch, guys, even without having your smartphone. So that's a good thing. But apart from that, you do have support for remote music playback on your smartphone. And not only this, one more new feature is Bluetooth headphones connectivity. So you can directly connect your Bluetooth headphones to a smartwatch, and with the help of built-in stored music, right, you can listen to all your favorite tracks whenever you're using this for maybe like workouts or any sort of exercises. So that is definitely an added benefit, I would say. Moving on, you've got your remote camera shutter. Calculator app is also built in, voice command, voice memo. So in case if you want to record some audio on your smartwatch, right, yes, you can do that because you're having built-in microphone, right? So you got like A to Z features, all of them are present on the smartwatch. And last but not the least, Noise has also installed a couple of games on the smartwatch, which include Pixel Bird and Whack-A-Mole. Pixel Bird is basically like Flappy Bird, guys. I mean, just let me quickly play the game and show you. And just like this, I'm telling you, right, in case if you're getting bored, you can play games on your smartwatch for a bit of time pass. So definitely appreciate that, Noise. And last but not the least, you're getting a brand new BBC News application as well for all the news enthusiasts out there. So you can customize which category news you want to see. Maybe you want to read some headlines, right? You can easily do that. Or if you're interested in world news, tech related news, business news, you can get all that information in this BBC News app. So that's it, our complete overview on the built-in software, UI and overall experience. So before we move on and talk about all those AI related features, let me first tell you about the health related tracking features available. This watch comes with like A to Z health features, guys. You can track your 24/7 HR monitoring, sleep data analysis, stress level monitoring, blood oxygen SpO2, female health tracking. I'm telling you, right, everything is there, not to worry about that. I've told you, right, I've been using this smartwatch for quite some time and all of its health related features were working pretty well. HR sensor was accurately measuring all the data and giving like pretty well accurate results, almost like 90-95% of the time. Coming to the Bluetooth calling functionality, obviously the watch has like built-in microphone and speaker, right? You can easily place calls and directly talk to anybody from the smartwatch itself. Only thing is you'll need to be connected to your smartphone via Bluetooth. And talking about the microphone quality, mic quality was pretty decent. Other person could clearly hear and understand what I was saying. Only thing I felt is speaker output was a bit less. See, if you're using the smartwatch for Bluetooth calling feature indoors, right, then not an issue at all. You can easily understand what the other person is saying. But if you try to use this Bluetooth calling functionality in outdoor situation where there's a lot of noise, maybe like in traffic situations, right, there you might have to bring the watch very close to your ear because the output was tad a bit less. So finally, moving on, let's get to those AI features that I've been talking about. So Noise has introduced two category of AI features. First one is their AI watch faces and the second one is their Noise AI companion. So basically using this AI watch faces feature, you can make your own watch faces, guys. To access this, all you need to do is open NoiseFit compatible app and go to this AI section over here. Here you'll find AI watch faces feature. Simply click on that and basically gives you like a quick demo what you can do and how you can generate watch faces. Whatever you want to generate, right in this text box over here. Say for example, you want to generate maybe like a cat in space. Simply type that. You can be as descriptive as possible. Nobody is going to stop you, and simply click on the enter button and that's it. It may take like 10 to 20 seconds and that's it. There you go. Boom. This is how your brand new watch face is generated. Let's also try one more time. What should I type? How about anime characters fighting maybe on a mountain? That sounds fun, right? So let's see if it can generate something like that. And bam, it actually does. Not bad. Look at that. Looks pretty cool, right? So just like this, you can generate any kind of AI generated wallpaper, apply that onto your smartwatch. Very cool feature, I would say. Only limitation is you can only do this 7 times in a week, guys. I mean, Noise, why are you doing this? We're already paying plenty of price for the smartwatch. Anyways, it is what it is, nothing can be done. And that was about the AI watch faces. Moving on, you got your AI companion, basically like your AI voice assistant. You can type in and ask any sort of question and the AI companion will help you. Say for example, you've been working out using the watch for the last 1 week, right? And you want like a detailed summary for the last couple of days, maybe like 3 days or 2 days. How's your workout analysis, how much fat you've burned, how much distance you've traveled. Simply ask it. AI companion will give you all the results. So that is how you can use these AI features. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life. Unfortunately, like the previous models, Noise has not disclosed the built-in battery capacity this time, but anyways, I'm going to share you my experience. On a moderate sort of usage, with the brightness set to around like 50-55%, using some apps on the smartwatch and rarely using like Bluetooth calling and built-in GPS for some workout sessions, right? With this sort of activity, you can easily get around like 5 to 6 days of battery life. But again, if you're like a heavy user, you either use that Bluetooth calling feature a lot on day-to-day basis, or maybe you're like a fitness freak who uses that built-in GPS a lot, then for you people, you'll hardly get around like 1 to 1.5 day of battery life, guys. So totally depends on your usage. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. That was our detailed video on Noise Colorfit Pro 6 Max smartwatch. As I've told you, it's available in like multiple color variants. You're also getting like leather strap edition, metal strap edition to extra 500, and regular silicone strap variant is also there. Good smartwatch, premium build quality, good display as well. Lots of features are there. Built-in GPS is also there. Only thing I felt is price is a bit expensive, guys. I mean, Noise smartwatch used to be around like 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 rupees was also okay considering all of these features, but this one has been priced around like 7,500 rupees. On top of that, metal strap edition costs almost like 8,000 rupees. I felt it's slightly a bit on the expensive side. What do you people think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And that is pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, got all the information you are looking for. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos, and I'll see you all in my next one.